I just hope the black smoke isn't affecting the trees, like they won't die from all that mist. Black smoke. Once again, for the umpteenth time, it's 475. Will 89 or 90 ever come out? I really don't know. Aiden said to me that every month they rotate them around, but with my luck, it's always 475. It's safe to say that 475 is the one locomotive that I rode the most in my life. I rode Thomas, I rode 90, both in 2001. I rode 90 in 2006. I don't remember the locomotive in 2009. 2012 was 100% 475 when his headlamp was up higher. I mistaken it for 90. September 2021, 611 for the first and only time. Him and Thomas are the only two. 89 twice in October. Well, 475 in October. 89 twice that same month. And then 475 two more times after that. And then my last trip, 4 times you. And then this is the second time you. All right, let's roll. Call me crazy, but I'm standing on a train track where Mr. 475 is going to come and run me over and splat me to death. So I better get out of the way. Touch country roads, baby. Better put this on. Let's see this bad boy pass. I mean, I could just jump up here. Should I? Yep, that's better. It's safer for one thing. That car's lucky. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, 475 is coming for the 2 o'clock train. And just as it was about to grab hold of him, it stopped. Dun, 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 dun. So there was Sir Topham Hatt. It's a good thing I'm visiting these yards tonight. Saving you from scrap is becoming a habit, Stepney. Please stop it. Yes, sir. But I have learned something. What's that? There's no place like home. And that's exactly where you're going now. Said Sir Topham Hatt. Blue bells forever.
Evan, the button on the side. Red button.